Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate all the love, guys. I think my last video I did my A-Spec kit. I actually finished it. Finally, it's installed. The car's looking freaking beautiful. And today, I got something else to make it even more beautiful looking, to make it look real good. And check this out, guys. I got the 2012 Acura Teal headlights. They are OEM, guys. I got them used. They come with the ballast, the HID bulbs. They come with all the bulbs, the mounting things. This two-step meguiars headlight restoration kit. It says this lasts for 1 year. Keeps clear for a year. We'll try this, see how it works. It says no drill required, but I do have a drill. We'll be using these. So it came with these two pads. Shh, wait, Lily. It came with these two pads only, and we'll be using this to rough it up. But we're gonna add an extra step, and I'm hoping it'll last longer. So what it wants you to do is, this kit wants you to do is use these two to make it look hazy. You know, this is the cleaning solution you put on that. You apply it, basically take off the clear coat. You do that, and once it's all hazy all around, and then wants you to apply this headlight coating. I want to actually add a step between that step, so hopefully it makes it last longer. I'm gonna get some Windex to clean it off first. That way it's nice and clean. Wow, look at that, it looks better already. First step is just to clean it. Oh man, that thing is dirty, look at that. Dude, that joint is nasty. I don't know what the previous owner did with these, but man, that thing is dirty. Not here. We got the headlights out, so it'll be a lot easier, I hope. That way we don't scratch our paint. The way the extra step I'm going to be using is this right here, the 3M headlight restoration system. So that way we get a finer finish before we apply the final headlight coating. That way hopefully it'll last longer, I'm not sure. So now we got it cleaned. It wants you to apply a quarter size. Oh, by the way, you need to be in a cool, dry area, no sun, and that the headlights are clean. Here we go. Let's do a speed once. I'm running out over here. Oh shit. For a good 3 minutes. Let's wipe it off and see what we got. I believe this part right here is very important, because it's important because you want to take off the bad layer. Looks like I need to go over it over here some more. Ooh. Maybe we'll use Windex to damn, that joint's gonna be sick. Alright, looks like we need to do this more over on this side. I know it took most people 30 minutes to do this only, but I want to make this last really long and make the headlight looks really good, so I'm gonna go an extra mile and do this, guys. Wipe it up second time. By the way, guys, I'm just using the Windex. The most important part, guys, is the first and second part of this process, because you literally have to take off the old clear coat that's bad. third wipe. Let me see if I was able to take off the clear coat. It's still kind of there. Guys, looks like we got a nice little uniform haze going on here. I want to go through it one more time throughout the entire thing just to be sure we got everything. Here you can tell rock's been hitting it right there, right there. I tried taking those off. That's pretty deep. We'll go through it one more time. So after this step, you're supposed to clean it off and then spray this, but I want to go through it with a finer sandpaper. I believe we got 800 here and 3,000, guys. Woo! All right, looks like we got a nice little finish going on here. So we'll take this off. Oh yeah, yuck. So right now, the next step is to actually clean it off really well, and then put this on and let it dry for like 24 hours. But and you got to put 2 coats of this. But we're gonna go a step further, guys, to make it look nice. So we're going to 800, and then we'll finish it off with a 3,000. You're supposed to just use it by itself, and then when you do the 3,000 grit, use it with water. Looks like you're just supposed to use this by itself, guys. Holy shit! Oh, that's all good. Woo, look at that. It's so hazy, guys. Oh my gosh. It looks horrible. Second and final step, we'll be using the 3,000 grit. And after this, we'll apply 2 coats of this stuff right here. And hopefully it'll look good, guys. So this one, I'm gonna apply water to it. It wants you to apply water on it. While you do this, keep it nice and lubricated. Alright, it's gonna look much better after this. It's gonna look like a brand new headlight because 3,000 grit. Let's wipe it off and see what 3,000 grit looks like. Because you know 3,000 grit, that thing is super fine. But you know what? We're gonna go over it one more time, man. Alright, I think I did my best into getting this thing sanded. So guys, we sanded it with this. That's 1, 2, and then 3. So we sanded it like 3 times. Now we're gonna apply this headlight coating. Looks alright. Looks a little hazy. Look, it's still a little hazy. You know? Alright, I'm pretty happy with the finish, everybody. Now we just gotta apply 2 coats of this. So apply this, let it dry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Apply a second coat. We're done with this headlight. Then we'll move on to the next one. Shake it up real well, you know what I'm saying? Shake it like a salt shaker. Here we go. Fuck. I hope I do this well. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, that just smells horrible. Oh my gosh. That just smells horrible. Yeah. Don't breathe. Go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way.
Why?
I don't want you breathing this in. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 5 minutes.
We'll start on the next one. Phew, that shit look good, bro. Wow, that looks really good. That looks really good. Last coat. That shit smells terrible. Oh, fuck. That shit'll kill you, man. Whew. Whew. Let's check this out. I gotta use a phone light, but lighting is horrible. But man, what a big change. So I'm gonna let this cure for 40 or 24 hours. I'll put it on tomorrow. But man, it looks awesome, man. It looks really good. So that was definitely worth it. So this one I just finished off with the 3000 grip sandpaper on the driver's side. Passenger side, I finished it off with the foam pad and the rubbing compound. So 3000 grit sandpaper passenger side with the rubbing compound. This one with just 3000 grit sandpaper and with the sealant. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully they last long, but man, does it look good. By the way, guys, this is my first time ever doing a headlight restoration like this. I've done two like years ago, maybe like 8 years ago. This turned out really well. And that shows you guys, you don't have to spend all this money just to make it look all good. There's always a cheaper route, guys. And that's what I'm about. Always trying to go cheaper, saving the old parts, make them look like this. Yeah, guys, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't judge me, but hey, that's how I did it, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you like it. And subscribe.